Welcome inside one of the world's largest sneaker manufacturing factories. Every sneaker begins with raw materials like rubber, foam, fabric, and synthetic leather.
Got the rubber and fabric shipment ready for you. Clear the way, bringing this fabric pallet thrower.
The first step is cutting the materials into precise shapes for each part of the shoe. Advanced machines help cut thousands of shoe parts every hour. Skilled workers stitch the upper parts that form the top of the sneaker. These pieces are carefully assembled to create the shoe's upper structure. Rubber soles are produced using high heat and pressure molds. Each sole is checked to ensure perfect shape and durability. The upper and the sole are joined together to form the complete shoe. Special industrial glue ensures the shoe stays strong during daily use.
On the assembly line, multiple workers add different components step by step.
Comfortable insoles are inserted to give the shoe its signature cushioning.
Laces are added to complete the classic sneaker design. Every pair is inspected carefully to ensure perfect quality. Finished shoes are cleaned to remove dust or marks. Some sneakers are polished to give them a fresh and shiny look. Each pair is carefully packed into its signature box. Thousands of pairs are prepared for shipment every day. The warehouse stores massive amounts of sneakers ready to ship worldwide. Logistics teams move the boxes through the distribution center.
The sneakers are packed into large cartons for delivery.
Trucks are loaded with shipments heading to stores. These trucks will transport sneakers to markets across the globe. From this factory, millions of sneakers begin their journey around the world.